Hello everyone! We are back with another video, and in today's video we will be tagging you along with us on our stay in Dubai. This year we did not go to India, so our parents decided that we all will stay in Dubai for a few days and visit some famous landmarks that we haven't yet visited. We were staying in Roda Amrit Suites and the beach was only a few minutes away from the hotel, so we visited the beach quite frequently. From here you can see the Blue Water Island and the Ain Dubai. This is more of the city view. When picking your hotel room, you can pick either the city view or the beach view. We picked the beach view, but the city view is way more cheaper. This is us walking to the Blue Water Island. It is a 10 to 15 minutes walk from our hotel room. This is a long bridge that connects the land to the Blue Water Island. You can capture some really good pictures here. This is a restaurant inside the Blue Water Island. This is more inside the Blue Water Island. This is the Ain Dubai. This is known as the world's largest Ferris wheel. This is us walking back from the Blue Water Island. This is our view from our balcony, and as you guys can see, you have a clear view of the Blue Water Island, the beach and the Ain Dubai. This is the next day in the morning. And here is the tour of the room you're staying at. This hotel room has 3 rooms plus 1 maid's room. This is the kitchen and it provides you with all the amenities that you need. This is the dining room, and there's a TV with it, and this is the living room. This is the balcony. This is the first room. This bedroom has 2 twin beds. From this room too, you can get a good view of the Ain Dubai, the beach and the Blue Water Island. There is a spacious closet as well. Next, we are going to the master bedroom. And from this room again, you get another beautiful view. This is the maid's room. This is the last bedroom, and this is where I slept. This is a better view on the kitchen. As you can see, they provide you with all the plates, knives and spoons that you need. There is also swimming pools available, and I have to tell you, they have the best views. And that is our staycation in Dubai. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you do not mind, please do subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. And with that, have a great day. Bye.